Hello and welcome to Pliers, your ultimate resource for everything about pliers. Today I'm excited to showcase this inexpensive pliers kit for installing metal snap buttons. You need this pliers kit for installing metal snap buttons on your pair of jeans, jackets, camping tents, or anything you'd like to fasten using heavy duty metal snap buttons. I am using the AnnYun snap button kit. It comes with 3 items. You have the heavy duty metal snap button pliers, 3 types of anvils, and 40 sets of stainless snaps. The pliers are basically locking pliers with a modified head for installing the snap buttons. For the anvils, they are all magnetic so that you can easily install and remove them from the head. Each anvil or setting tool has its specific use. One is for making holes into the material, the other one is for setting the button caps, and the third one is for setting the button sockets. These are the 40 button sets packed nicely in a transparent plastic box for convenient storage and carrying. And this is what you get in the Fastener kit. You have the male and female snaps, sockets, and button caps. You also get screw type sockets for use on wood and other hard surfaces. Now let me show you how to use this metal snap button pliers kit. I will use it to install a button on the cardboard box that came with the kit. I start with making a hole into the material, then install a button cap. As you can see, the hole is not all that clean because I forgot to use the anvil for making holes. I then place the socket over the button cap barrel and use the pliers to fasten the two parts together. But make sure you adjust the pressure knob on the pliers with the anvil on to ensure it locks fairly smoothly so that the pressure on the jaws won't damage the button cap barrel when you squeeze the handles. I do the same for the socket, but this time around I did not forget to use the anvil for making holes, and as you can see, I punched a very nice and clean hole into the cardboard. Before I show you how to install the button stud, I know you are liking this video, so please show some love by hitting the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I promise that you will find many fascinating videos of pliers that might be new to you. Now let's install the stud. You start by inserting the eyelet from the inside. Guide the barrel through the hole, then place the stud over the barrel and compress the assembly gently with the pliers. For this one, use the anvil with a stamped surface. Now the snap button set installation is complete. To recap, you can use this metal snap button pliers kit to install heavy duty snap buttons on a variety of materials including tabs, canvas, clothing and other materials for your DIY projects. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next one.